This is the continuation of my previous video how we will install MySql and MyAdmin in macOS. So we had some troubles in my previous video. I can add my path into bash profile. So here I found some solution. So here everyone can see that. So I am going to my bash profile right now. So what I did is uh, actually I had some problem with defining the paths. So I have some uh, errors. I wrongly named some paths. So right now it's solved. I just mentioned MySQL home used a local MySQL, and in path I export the bin folder itself. So that's where we did, and I just closed that one. And the other command that I use is source bash profile. So that's also works. Then another one. So after that, I got the MySQL version in uh, my shell console. So everything works fine right now. So we need to go to our next step. So next step, installing PHP MyAdmin. But the thing is like for PHP MyAdmin, it's running on server. So I need a Apache. I need a web server. So I'm going to use Apache 2 web server. So but in this environment, I didn't have any Apache 2. So there is no Apache 2, so I need to install sudo apt install Apache 2. Unable to locate executables JDK, the same error that I am getting right now. So what I am going to do in this case is maybe I will JDK contains home bin apt. So the problem here is wrongly mentioned my Java path. So I need to solve that issue. So how I will do, let's see. So I'm going here in my user table, cd. I need to see what are the files I have. There is one bin, local, and lib. Probably I will go to lib, and here I am again do the this one. Probably I will see something like Java here. If I have something like Java here, I will make it as a path. So there is nothing here. So these are libraries, core libraries, I guess. So there is no Java here. So what we are going to do is we are going to the local folder, cd local, and I'm going to search something. There is one bin here, MySQL. I'm going to bin Docker node. Everything is there, but there is no. So what I am going to do is I will go to library for. Here I need to search. So in library folder I have Java. So in Java I have extension and Java virtual machines. So So I guess my path is not correct right now. So I need to go back to my home folder. I can't see anything application library and my user folder. Library local and so probably I will go to local. So local also I have been I have ng is there, everything is there. Okay, here there is nothing. So this is a problem right now. I can't see my Java files here. So if I am making a search here, I don't think I can find Java. Not search. There is one. Find Java. Okay. I need to go to the home folder again. Okay. That also will not work. So I can do only one thing. To install the Apache manually. That is the only solution right now. So how I will do that? So another question. Okay, we will see that in next video. So right now the MySQL is working. Access denied for user. Uh, so MySQL login or something. MySQL root. Okay. So the thing is like MySQL login. I need to log in into MySQL command. Connect to MySQL. Okay, here we go. We got the command for using into MySQL u root -p. So it will ask for my password. Okay, so if I am just show databases, I will get all the list of databases, information schema, MySQL performance schema sys. So that's all about starting MySQL in command line. So for the graphical user interface, php we have some issues. Probably in my next video, I will fix that issue. The main issue is my Java path is not correct. It's pointing into the wrong Java path. So I need to solve that before the next video. And in next video, we will use php to access our database. So if we are going here, we can do some queries. Okay, create database codeBase. Okay, so we can see that database that we created right now in our database list. Another command, use the codeBase, and here we can create some tables. So there are so many commands for that. So we will go through some of the commands in next next few videos. So the first thing that we need to do is install the PHP myadmin. So it will show us the graphical interface and how the tables are related. So that's all for today. Tomorrow